Did you know that eating cucumbers can lead to cancer and dementia? Cucumbers are known as a healthy superfood, but there are some foods that go well with them and others that don't. Even these healthy cucumbers need to be eaten properly so that they benefit the body. Consuming them with junk food can be harmful to your health. Therefore, we have prepared information on the 3 foods that are worst with cucumbers for cancer and dementia prevention, and the 3 foods that go best with them. This video will be extremely informative and helpful. So, if you want to become a master of your health, click like and let's get started. Many of you know cucumbers for their crunchy texture, refreshing taste, and bright green color. The main star of today's topic is the superfood cucumber. Cucumbers can be eaten in many ways: in a pickle, in a tangy cucumber salad, or even in cold sour dishes. They are high in water and vitamins and are great for skin beauty, which is well known to many. Recently, cucumbers have become popular because of their amazing properties that prevent cancer and dementia. But did you know that there are foods that, when consumed along with cucumbers, can be detrimental to your health? Now let's take a close look at the 3 worst and 3 best combinations of foods with cucumbers for cancer and dementia prevention. Number 1. The worst combination with cucumbers is carrots. That's surprising, isn't it? Many people eat cucumbers and carrots together for hydration on a camping trip, or as the main combination in dishes like kimbap and bibimbap. However, from a nutritional standpoint, carrots and cucumbers are not the best combination. Cucumbers are a fruit, not a vegetable, as they grow from flowers and contain seeds. They are especially suited for immediate hydration due to their high water content. In addition to water, cucumbers are rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C, which makes up about 15% of the recommended daily allowance in one cucumber. This vitamin relieves fatigue, boosts energy, and strengthens the immune system. The bright green color of cucumbers is due to chlorophyll, which combines with vitamin C to provide excellent hydration, improve skin health, and prevent aging. However, when you eat cucumbers with carrots, you can't get the benefit of the vitamin C found in cucumbers. This is because the carrot's enzyme destroys the vitamin C. But don't worry, there is a way out of this situation. The enzyme in carrots is weak against heat and acidity, so lightly boiling carrots or adding vinegar or lemon juice can help. This way, you can enjoy the benefits of both carrots and cucumber. Tip: most of the vitamins in cucumbers are found in the peel, so be sure to eat that too. The best combination with cucumber is a pear. Pears are known for their cooling effect and ability to reduce fever. Cucumbers, being a cool ingredient, help reduce internal heat. They are used to treat burns, reduce swelling, and are great for heartburn caused by heat stasis. However, eating cool foods can sometimes cause side effects such as digestive and circulatory disorders due to the released heat traveling through the body. But cucumbers not only have a cooling effect, they also contain a lot of water. This water helps to remove heat from the body. When combined with pear, cucumbers have the maximum effect on reducing inflammation and removing heat from the body. In addition, both cucumbers and pears are rich in aspartic acid, which detoxifies and strengthens the liver, making them a great combination for detoxifying and helping to metabolize alcohol. Number 2. The next worst combination with cucumber is banana. Many people eat cucumbers and bananas together as they are both popular in diets. Cucumbers are rich in water and poor in calories, while bananas are rich in nutrients and dietary fiber. However, surprisingly, this is not a healthy combination. Cucumbers contain not only water but also potassium, which is good for the heart and blood vessels. It is known that reducing salt intake is important for cardiovascular health, but it is also important to consume potassium, which helps to eliminate the sodium already consumed by the body. Cucumbers are particularly rich in potassium, which helps dilate blood vessels and effectively excrete waste and sodium. Hence, cucumbers are great for preventing hypertension, hyperlipidemia, atherosclerosis, and stroke. But here's the problem: bananas are also high in potassium. While potassium is beneficial, an excess of it can upset cellular water balance, leading to muscle relaxation and nervous system problems. This can cause weakened muscles, paralysis, chronic numbness in the hands and feet, as well as arrhythmia and acute blood pressure problems. Therefore, it is better to eat cucumbers and bananas separately to take full advantage of their nutrients. The best combination with cucumber is apple. As mentioned earlier, cucumbers contain nutrients that prevent cardiovascular diseases. Apart from potassium, cucumbers are also lauded as a superfood for having a miracle vitamin for vascular health, vitamin K. If a blood vessel is damaged, vitamin K helps clot the blood quickly to prevent excessive bleeding. However, excessive clotting can block blood vessels, preventing the flow of oxygen and nutrients, potentially leading to tissue and organ damage. The vitamin K in cucumbers maintains this delicate balance. In addition, cholesterol is a serious problem not only on its own, but also because it builds up and calcifies on the inner walls of the arteries, leading to our atherosclerosis. The vitamin K in cucumbers helps lower cholesterol and prevent atherosclerosis. Therefore, it is important to include cucumbers in your diet to prevent cardiovascular disease. When combined with apples, cucumbers become an excellent tonic for vascular health. The soluble dietary fiber pectin in apples strengthens blood vessels, so be sure to include apples and cucumbers in your diet. Number 3. Finally, the third worst combination with cucumber is pickled cucumber and spicy cucumber salad. Although they are tasty, these dishes contain a lot of salt. Even after removing some salt, the saltiness remains. Sodium, the main component of salt, is an essential mineral needed to break down food, circulate blood, and eliminate waste. Many people may wonder why the heart never gets cancer. It is because the heart contains the most salt in the body. While salt has incredible health benefits, excessive salt intake can be harmful. However, given the high sodium content of the Korean diet, it's best to be careful with salty foods. Excess salt intake increases the concentration of sodium in blood vessels, drawing water into them through osmosis. This causes vascular edema, increased blood pressure, and leads to hypertension, stroke, heart failure, and even heart disease. In addition, sodium is known to cause stomach cancer. Consumption of salty foods damages the stomach wall, causing cancer and ulcers. Therefore, it is important to avoid pickles and salads that are too salty. On the other hand, the best combination with cucumber is vinegar. Many people think of cucumbers as just water-containing foods, but recent studies have shown their remarkable benefits in preventing dementia and maintaining heart health. This is due to a natural component in cucumbers called fistin. Not only does fistin have excellent anti-inflammatory properties, but it also significantly improves brain health. It improves memory and protects nerve cells in the brain, preventing aging. In addition, cucumbers have a remarkable anti-cancer effect. You probably know that the stalk of the cucumber has a bitter taste. This part contains an antioxidant component called curcubitacan, which destroys reactive oxygen species and prevents the growth and appearance of cancer cells. It is particularly effective in detoxifying the liver and preventing liver and prostate cancer. Cucumbers have anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer properties, are good for the heart and prevent dementia. They are also alkaline, which is very important because high acidity levels in the body produce toxins and inflammation. Therefore, it is important to consume alkaline foods such as cucumbers to neutralize acidity and keep you healthy. Vinegar, while seemingly acidic, is actually an alkaline product. It ensures the absorption of vitamin C found in cucumbers and cleanses and strengthens the walls of blood vessels with acidity. In addition, the warm nature of vinegar balances the overly cooling effect of cucumbers. Therefore, be sure to include salads and pickles in your diet. Finally, to fully absorb the vitamins, add a little vinegar or lemon juice to cucumbers when you eat them with carrots or cooked carrots. Combine cucumbers with pears for a synergistic effect. Instead of eating cucumbers with bananas, favor apples. Avoid pickles in salads and prefer cucumber dishes with vinegar. Thanks to these combinations, you will get cucumbers in a favorable form for health. What are your thoughts on this one? If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. More information on this topic can be found at the links in the description below this video and on our channel.
Subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications. Please like and share this video with your friends. Thanks to our sponsors for their support. I eagerly await your comments and encourage you to watch these useful videos.